好啊，各位同學仔你好啦，又係我 Alan Sir 啦。咁啊，今日咧就同你做題解啦。今日做嘅題目就係咧2021年 DSE Part A 嘅 Question Two。OK，呢條係一條 MC 題嚟嘅。咁就問啲咩咧？就係問啦。OK，in paragraph one 喺第一段裏邊啦，What does the writer suggest about eating in restaurants？係啦，好多同學仔咧就可能有個疑問啦。見到 suggest 就以為，都冇 suggestion，都冇建議，點解要 suggest 嘅？其實咧，如果我哋咧留意下同學仔啊，如果 suggest about 呢樣嘢，如果連住睇嘅話咧，係意味住啲咩意思啊？係唔係建議啊？如果建議我哋就冇 about 嘅。如果見到 about 咧，就即係話 suggest about，即係話佢意味住啲咩意思？即係話作者想透過喺餐廳食嘢係想帶出嗰啲咩嘅含義咧？好啦，咁呢條咧其實我哋建議可以用排除法去做嘅。我首先嚟睇一段段落先啦 ，OK？ 題段落仔第一句就話啦，你曾經有冇見過而家啲年輕人出街係點樣食嘢嘅咧？佢哋會不斷咁睇自己嘅手機 and pay little attention， 係好留，甚至乎好少會留意佢哋周邊嘅環境，又貴做低頭族啊嘛，睇手機啊嘛，係咪？更加唔好講 let alone， 即係更加唔好講啦。What is in front of them， 更加唔好講佢哋前面會有啲乜嘢啦。OK， 佢哋啦。對於食嘢咁認真咧，就真係令人覺得好奇妙嘅。你甚至乎可能會覺得帶佢哋出街食飯係一件好嘥時間、好嘥金錢嘅事啦。但係實 but is not， 但係實唔係嘅。你只要帶佢哋去啱食嘅餐廳咧，佢哋自然就會享受翻個食物嘅啦。好，咁咪睇題目先，逐個選擇去睇睇啦。A 就係問啦 ，Teenagers never take their food seriously。但係 A 就係話年輕人咧永遠唔會好認真咁對待食物嘅，其實梗係唔係啦，因為佢哋唔係唔中意食嘢，只不過佢哋係未遇到啱食嘅餐廳啫。咁呢個好明顯唔係啦。好，到 boy 啦 ，Teenagers don't like eating at restaurants。係啦，就係話年輕人唔中意餐廳食嘢，呢個更加唔係啦。就對翻呢句已經知唔係啦。你只要揾到啱食嘅餐廳嘅話咧，佢就好享受食物噶啦。咁所以嗰度唔係。第三 ，Some restaurants serve better food than others。文商都冇講過相關嘅嘢，冇做過任何嘅 comparison， 冇做過任何嘅比較，餐廳之間嘅比較，咁更加唔係啦。咁所以好自然，答案得翻一個，就係得啦。That's it，就係咁簡單啫。係啦，希望今日嘅解答幫到大家啦，拜拜。